Hello everyone, guys. I want to show you today for my 4runner. I want to install a mini projector lens, 50,000 lumens. I want to install and see how this work. It's like that. Okay, what I need to do? Take out battery for easy install. We take out battery, take out this cover, need to take out bulbs. We use like that. Okay, what's the next need to do? You can see those two screws needed off this bracket. And now take this bracket off.
Like that.
Okay, I move out. It's not easy to do with one hand. Turn off my phone, take out this bracket, and now install bulbs. You see here one small bolts. That's for adjustable. You can adjust high or low you want. Okay, we're ready. What I do, I take off like that. First, install this one first. Okay, and now easy front back bolts. Okay, connected. I think so. I cut off a little bit my rabbit, put it in. Okay, everything is good. We checked the night, how's work, how's bright. We see later. Not bad. It's maybe not really white. Just high beams, low beams is good. Line is good. Let's take a drive.